Hi everyone, my name is Niecy Harmon here of What's She Creating Enterprises, and today I will be showing you how to use a point turner. I have my item here, and it has two seams that will need to be turned. So the first thing I do is, if you look at my seam here, I'm going to have to clip the corners. So what I'll do is I'll take my scissors and I will clip here, clip across, and then I usually clip this way and clip this way. But I don't want to clip too close to the stitch, because if I do that, then the whole seam will fall apart. And that's happened plenty of times. So I'll do that on the other edge too. I'm going to go ahead and clip it. And then I will clip this way. And I clip this way also. And this is how I finish my seams, because I like them to be nice, okay? So next thing I'll do is I'm gonna open up my fabric here. And what I'm doing is taking my fingers and I'm trying to get as close to the seam as possible, or to the corner. I'm getting close to the corner as possible from this side. And I'll turn it in with my hands. Now, if I turn it in with my hands, it doesn't really look that good. So the next thing I'll do, let me turn this side also. So I'll turn that, and it looks okay, but if you want it to look really, really nice, then you'll use a point turner. So what I'll do is I'll take my point turner, I'm gonna actually insert it in here. And let me get you a close up. And so from the inside, the point part is going to go right at the stitches. So what I'm doing is I'm pushing the point part, but I don't want to push too hard, because if I push too hard, then it makes this weird shape. So I just want to push very lightly until my corners start to come together and look nice. So that looks pretty good. All right, and then I'll do the other side the same way. I'm just pushing from the inside. And sometimes I take the point and I just go along the seam on both sides. And then all you have to do now is you turn it in, and it looks pretty good. You just press it, and then you have straight corners like that. All right, now this can also be used to crease your seams. So you'll pull your seams out like that, open them up, and then you take the curved part and you go along the seam like that. And it's supposed to press your seam out. And you just lay this long and you just press it out. So it's a kind of a way to press it without using an iron. So you can do that with the end part of the point turner. That's how you use the point turner, and then all you have to do is iron it. Your corners look amazing. So thank you for watching this tutorial. Let me know what you think about it. Subscribe to our page, like our videos, and happy sewing.